Basic computer literacy information. Please subscribe our channel and share with others. Introduction of computer. A computer is an electronic device that you can use, store and process information. Computer help you perform a variety of tasks such as receiving and sending data to anyone, making presentation and maintaining records. You can save time, efforts and money by using computer. Computer play a major role in our daily lives. They are used virtually everywhere we go such as industries, schools, government, private offices and shops. Types of computer, personal computers. Types of computer, supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. Types of personal computer, desktop computer, notebook computer, netbook computer, tablet computer, PDA computer. Computer hardware. The main parts of personal computer: CPU, RAM, external hard drive, keyboard, output input devices, printers, connecting hardware and peripherals, internal hardware devices. Parts of computer. A computer has various parts inside and out. Each part performs a specific function. First, you will learn to identify the parts of computer visually. Later, you will learn the function of these different parts. External front, optical drive, input base, power button, extra USB ports, sound input port, sound output ports, sound output speaker, external back, power supply with cooling fan, keyboard and mouse ports, USB universal serial bus, video port, parallel port, Ethernet port, empty bay, sound input output sound card, internal back, front, transformation of computer inside the laptop, computer functions, input, processing, output, input devices, mouse, keyboard, microphone, scanner, webcam, stylus, mouse touchpad, a device that you use to interact with items displayed on the computer screen. A standard mouse has a left and right button. You use the left button to select items and provide instruction by clicking an active area on screen. You use the right button to display commonly used menu item on the screen. Keyboard, a set of keys that resemble a keyboard on a typewriter. You use keyboard to type text such as letters or numbers into the computer. Microphone, a device that you can use to talk to people in different parts of the world. You can record sound into a computer by using a microphone. You can also record your speech and let the computer convert into text. Scanner, a device that is a similar to photocopy machine. You can use this device to transfer an extract copy of photograph or document into a computer. Scanner reads a page and translates into digital format that a computer can read. For example, when you scan photographs, of your family using a scanner, it gets converted to a digital format that your computer can read. Webcam, a device that is similar to a video camera. It allows you to capture and send live picture to other users. For example, a webcam allows you to friends and family to see you when you are communicating with them. Stylus, a pointing device similar to pen, used to make a selection and enter information by tapping on a touch sensitive surface. For example, many stores have a stylus attached to their debit credit card reader to make a selecting icons and sign in your name easier. Output devices. You use output devices to get feedback from a computer after it performs a task. Some example of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone. Monitor projector, a device that is similar a device that a device that is similar to a television. It used to display information in the form of text and graphics. Printer, a device that you use to transfer text and image from computer to a paper on to another medium, such as a transparency film. You can use printer to create paper copy of whatever you see on your monitor. Speakers headphone. Speaker headphone, a device that allows you to hear sounds. Speakers may either be external or built into the computer. Storage devices. You use storage devices to keep computer information for later use. Storage devices come in many forms. Some examples are hard drive or disk, CD-ROM, and DVD-ROM. Storage devices can be divided into two types: internal storage devices and external storage devices. Some common storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, USB, flash drive, cloud storage. Computing devices. Different types of computers are available in the market today. The most common computer is the personal computer PC. Typing used to individual and business organization. A personal computer is used in the workplace to create documents, manage business record, and communicate with others. It is used in the school to teach lessons, research over the internet, and work on assignments. You can also use a personal computer to play games, view videos, and listen to music. Depending on the size and the purpose of a personal computer, it can be categorized into different types: desktop, laptop, netbook, handheld, or tablet. Please subscribe our channel and share with others. Share ideas for positive change in society. This is our views channel Visions.